crippin', what they doing for the twins. Free little Corey and little Chris. My shooters and they say I'm lacking, nigga, try me, shoot you in your shorty. I'm cooking up in the lab like I'm Rick and Morty. 40 hit a aqua dread swinging just like I'm a roster. Smoking ganja and I'm zooted, walking in my Pradas. Any nigga touch my gangsta nigga, I'm a poplar. And we ain't throwing hands with you fuck niggas. It's when I'm top up in that chamber, better duck nigga. Niggas dissing on Lil Valley, he is slump nigga. We shoot his body, then we lay him in that trunk nigga. I know, bitch, that's on my life. I want no fuck nigga speaking on the board and that nigga get that gun.
70s and looked like Forsberg straightened out there, but then reinitiate. Oh, and another straightening. So Forsberg has Gremlin show up, and I believe you should automatically know the outcome. Slide him left for Matt Coffman, right for Forsberg, and Matt Coffman unanimously gets the win, advancing on into the top 16. This machine was built to shred. Achilles tires, Ford V8 powered Thunderbolt fuel S13. Matt Coffman. This is the last battle of top 16. So here we go. Who's going to advance on? Coffman or Bakchis? Coffman initiating. That Ford V8 powered 240SX. Nice angle there from Coffman. Really high on the bank and massive angle. Coming into the power alley, into the touch and go. Odi shoots out of that Achilles tire smoke, and Matt Coffman knocking over the front clip as Odi and Coffman. Again, left for Coffman, right for Bakchis. Ryan says Matt Coffman. Andy says one more time. And Brian says Matt Coffman gets the win, taking out Odi Bakchis. As Justin Pawlak, Matt Coffman, the final battle of the Great Eight. And Coffman maybe giving himself too much room here. Can he catch up? You can see him foregoing some angle and gaining some ground. As Pawlak climbed the bank, you see some wavering there from Coffman. Now forward into the power alley. Pawlak with a good amount of angle. You see him using all of that wall and then beelining towards that apex. Pretty good job by both drivers. And, looks like cone got knocked, but lights did it, so it didn't get out of place as Coffman initiates. A big gap here, surprisingly, from Justin Pawlak. And look at that, Coffman, real dominant right now, but look at Justin Pawlak. He's down but not out, knocks over that Black Magic clip. And around that final clipping point and finish line.